Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how to fix if Microsoft Store not opening in Windows 11. So let's start the video. The first step you can do is restart your PC and check. The second step you can do is make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and the internet is working fine. In the next step, make sure your date and time is correct. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. Update your operating system. So for this, you have to open settings. So open settings. Now on the left side, click on this option, Windows Update. Update your operating system and check. If you are still getting the same issue, in the next step, we are going to clear Microsoft Store cache. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Run. Or you can press the Window key and R button together on your keyboard to open Run command. After that, you have to type this command carefully. Then click on OK. Wait for a few seconds. Move on to the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, repair Microsoft Store. For this, you have to open Settings. On the left side, click on Apps. On the right side, click on this option, Installed Apps. So these are the applications you have in your system. Now you have to search for Microsoft Store app. If you could not find Microsoft Store, in that case, click on this option, System Components. Wait for a few seconds and you will see this option, Microsoft Store. Click on these three dots, then click on this option, Advanced Options. Now here, first you have to click on this option, Terminate. After that, restart your system and check. If you are still getting the same issue, click on this option, Repair. So this will repair this Microsoft Store app. Repair process completed. Now you have to restart your system and after that, open Microsoft Store again and check. If you are still getting the same issue, the next step you can try is reset. So this will delete the data of your Microsoft Store as well. So you can use this method as well if your Microsoft Store is not opening. So click on reset. Click on reset. After completing this process, restart your system and check. The next step you can try is if you are still getting the same issue, create a new user account, log in with it and check the Microsoft Store. I will show you how to create a new user account in Windows 11. For this, you have to first open Settings. After that, on the left side, click on Accounts. After that, on the right side, click on this option, Other Users. Now you will see this option, Add Other User. Click on Add Account. You will see this kind of a window. Now you can create a new user account in Windows 11 or you can also add a user without a Microsoft account. So for this you have to click on this option. So create a new user account, log in with it and check the Microsoft Store. So this is all for the video. Thank you.